Congratulations, you have been hired for the night shift at the Inferno Steel Works. Your job is to watch the furnaces and follow the rules, especially rule number 4. Rule number 1. The furnaces will groan. If one groans in a voice that sounds like your name, do not answer it. Rule number 2. You will see faces form in the molten slag. They are just old memories in the recycled metal. Ignore them. Rule number 3. If a face ever smiles at you, it is not a memory. You must increase the furnace temperature by 100 degrees immediately. Rule number 4. At 3:15 a.m., you must check the slag pool. If a face has its mouth open, it is trying to speak. You must pour a new ladle of scrap metal on top of it before it makes a sound. Follow the rules. Good luck.